G'day folks, LJ Esquire here, casually coming at you like a bomb from this quiet little suburban neighbourhood here in Danang. I was almost ready to take a step away from this YouTube stuff, but I got a lot of love and positivity from the previous video, so thank you everyone. It's encouraged me to come back and share a little more about this life out here in Danang. A lot of people seem to think the visa thing is all a bit too hard, but when you break it down, it's not that hard. I just came back from a visa run, and I like to make my visa runs kind of a little bit of an adventure, a time of the month where I can sort of venture out and do something else. So those following me on Instagram might have caught my previous run, which I've just come back from, to Hua Hin, my old stomping ground. So if you book the ticket a few weeks in advance to Thailand, it's only like $50. I packed my bag, booked a grab taxi. It's only 7 minutes to the airport, Danang Airport, very small, convenient airport. Flew over to Bangkok and hopped on a bus, went down to Hua Hin, caught up with a few mates. Made it kind of a bit of an excuse to do a little bit of a fitness camp with a few of my mates there. We do it once a year. So we did a bit of boxing, early morning running. They got like a herbal steam joint that we were hanging out at. Lots of good food. So yeah, if you want to follow my sort of daily adventures, hop over to Instagram and follow along. So I'm really starting to settle into this Danang lifestyle now. I've got myself a bank account, got a nice comfortable place to live. Everything's working out really well, and I like the lifestyle here. It's a lot quieter than Thailand. There's not a lot of tourist activity, so you do get that real kind of local experience. Today is going to be all about property. I'm going to meet with a real estate agent, a good friend of mine, who's going to take us to look at some properties. Some of it will be high-end stuff, not the real cheap Charlie stuff, I believe. I will present it as entertaining as possible. Firstly, we're going to go over to Mark's place, because right now I'm in Mark's estate, and we're going to see how an American expat is living. So he's living really well here. We can have a chat with him, get a little bit more perspective on this beautiful life in Danang City. All right, stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the ride.
Hello. Welcome.
G'day, champ. How's it going?
Excellent. How are you?
Very well. This is Mark. You might remember him from previous episode. Grilled, business owner here.
Grilled New York hot dogs and sausages.
Yeah. Check him out.
Danang.
That's the one. So, mate, you've landed yourself a nice, cozy little pad here.
Yes, this is a nice gated community, about 160 homes in an area called Sun Cha. It's mixed, probably half Vietnamese, half foreigners, expats.
Cool.
This unit right here, I pay $18 million a month.
Okay.
But it's a nice community.
It is, mate. It's a very spacious home. And I believe one of the reasons you went for this big place is because you got the big fella in here.
Yes.
G'day, buddy. Can we let him out? Mark's actually a professional dog trainer, so his dog is very well trained.
Plats.
There you go. There we go. Look at that.
Who's?
Very well trained, aren't you, mate?
Keep loud.
Hey. If you want a professional dog trainer in Danang, look this bloke up. Right, so you got a few bedrooms upstairs?
Yeah, 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms upstairs, full bathroom here.
So you'd say it's pretty comfortable living here?
It is. I mean, gated community, safe enough. It's fairly quiet at night.
So life in general in Danang, pretty cool?
I love it. It's as laid back as you want it to be. I really liken it to San Diego in the U.S. Vietnamese culture. You drive a kilometer or two, you're in the heart of the city center.
Yeah.
And you are immersed in the Vietnamese culture.
For sure. All right, so don't just take my word for it, guys. This guy is also living well out here in Danang, and me and Mark have been hitting the local gym together early in the morning.
A little bit.
Yeah.
I'm trying to keep up.
Hey, this guy, he does keep up. He's strong as an ox. So, yeah, it's a good place to come and stay fit, isn't it, Mark?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, to try to keep it PG, you're 80% naked 90% of the time because it's hot.
Yeah.
Again, like San Diego, where you don't need to wear a lot of clothes, people tend to want to stay in better shape. You know, evidenced all the public workout areas along the beach, just fitness machines. People are on day and night. Yeah, fitness is a big thing in Danang.
Yeah, it is. All right, mate, thanks for the tour.
Absolutely.
I'm going to go and meet Lyly, who is
my
agent.
My realtor.
I'll catch you up probably tomorrow morning in the gym, mate.
Absolutely. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.
All right, mate. We have just arrived at a little coffee shop here in the Korean part of town in Danang. This is Jardin Coffee. Nice little spot. Quiet little spot. Xinjiao, Lyly.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Lyly.
Nice to see you. Looking
Yeah,
very
good morning.
good morning. You're
Yeah.
looking very professional.
Yeah, thank you.
This is my good friend Lyly, who is the real estate agent that found Mark's house. Did a great job. Yeah, Mark's very happy with this place.
Yeah.
Big. And today we got a special treat because Lyly has quite a few properties for us to look at.
Yeah.
We're going to see what Danang has to offer in the property market,
Yeah.
sale and rental.
Yeah, sell and rent. Yeah.
And if you guys are interested in any of these properties or need some help finding something in Danang, I'm going to leave Lyly's contact details below the video. She does a great job. Number one in Danang, aren't you?
Yeah, thank you.
So we're going to have a coffee, are we, Lyly? And-
yeah, I ordered already.
Okay,
Yeah.
excellent.
Yeah.
We've got a couple of drinks here. What is this, Lyly? This is a Vietnamese style.
Yeah, coffee, Vietnam coffee. Yeah.
It looks nice. So Lyly and I met at a co-working space not far from here.
Yes.
Yeah. I spotted Lyly from across the room and I thought, I want to go and talk to that girl. So I went and said hello and now we're good friends. We have a few common interests. Lyly is a Falun Gong practitioner.
Yeah.
And so she's very dedicated to meditation and things like that. So we had a few things to talk about. And Lyly's had me on the beach doing Falun Gong practice before, which was a new experience for me. Yeah, but it's a beautiful practice, and yeah, it's good to meet someone that's dedicated to it so much. Yeah. It smells like chocolate.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Vietnam coffee really is something else.
Very strong.
We're going to leave the motorbikes here because it's hot outside. We've got a grab taxi coming. So Lyly, tell us a little bit about this place.
This villa is near Nong Nước Beach.
Okay.
Yeah. Welcome to this villa.
How far from the beach?
About just 200 to go to the beach.
Okay.
Yeah. Chicken.
Kitchen.
Kitchen. I'm sorry.
So there's a lot in this place. Obviously the big kitchen. You open up these windows right into the swimming pool. I mean, this is the ultimate party place. How many bedrooms?
10 bedroom.
10?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
With villa. 10
10 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms.
Yeah.
Sale price is
12 billion.
12
Yeah.
billion.
Yeah.
Rental price per month?
50 1 month.
50 million.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good. Beautiful, huge, spacious bedrooms. Open up onto balcony areas. Every bedroom has its own bathroom. From what you guys can see, this is what all the bedrooms look like. Some are bigger than others. They're all very spacious. Another big kitchen. Great living space. It's been a good tour. We're gonna get in a grab and go on to the next property.
Yeah. Next.
For a lot of people watching, they're going to be asking the question, how can a foreigner own property in Vietnam? So can you tell us the rules if, say, an Australian, American want to buy a house like that?
Yeah.
Can they own it outright?
Yeah. The owner want to buy the property in Vietnam just for 50 years.
Okay.
And if they have the wife or Vietnamese, I think it's a long term.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. There you go, guys. Okay, property number 2. This is
Yeah.
just rental only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
So it's only one floor, which might suit some people more. It's got a swimming pool, which as you can see isn't filled up at the moment. There's 4 bedrooms.
Yes, 4 bedroom and with swimming pool. Yeah.
How many bathroom?
4.
So rental only,
15 million dong.
15 million. Wow, that's a great price for this many bedrooms and a pool. So great price, great location near the beach,
Yeah, near the beach.
quiet neighborhood.
Yeah.
Just needs a little bit of work. Obviously the pool needs to be filled up, needs a bit of a tidy up, but could be a very comfortable home for 4 or more people. All right, we're leaving property 2 now, and Lily suggested we walk to the beach,
Yeah.
which is just over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
very near.
And so just a short walk from that property, we arrive at this beautiful beach. Lily informs me that right now is quite a good time to buy property. Isn't that right, Lily?
The time is good to buy properties in Danang or Vietnam because the market down now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's easy to looking for to a good property.
Good value right now.
Yeah.
Danang is just a paradise, guys. Look at this beachfront. Absolutely stunning. And not overrun by tourists like many places in Thailand. Danang is still an untapped destination. But if I keep putting videos out like this, maybe everyone's going to come here. Okay, we've got something a little different for you now, guys. Apartment, right?
Yeah, apartment.
Uh-huh.
Hayuri?
More centrally located.
Yeah.
It's a little bit lower price.
Yes,
We've
low
got
price.
2 different ones to look at, right? This is a very nice crib, guys. We've got a bedroom through here. Bedroom number 1. Here's bedroom number 2. Both very spacious and modern. The kitchen fully equipped with large refrigerator and freezer. Big lounge room space. And how many square meters is this, Lily?
61 meter.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the price.
15 million dong.
Okay.
Include a maintenance fee.
And then you've got this amazing view of the city, the river, the Dragon Bridge, the ocean. I mean, this is the best view in town. I can't get into the gym right now, but I can see it's pretty good. It's pretty equipped. And the swimming pool is right here. Okay, we got one more property to look at, and we've come over to the other side of the river. Let's take a look at this one. Lead the way. This one has a really nice feel. It's a lot of space, very spacious apartment, isn't it?
Yeah.
How many square?
104 square.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's got 2 bedrooms.
2 bedroom and 2 bathroom. Yeah.
One of the bathrooms has a big bathtub.
Yeah.
And there's just so much living space here. This is a really beautiful space to entertain guests. Lovely views everywhere of the city. Lovely big kitchen space here.
The woman really like a kitchen for this because we can cook everything for families.
This looks beautiful.
Today I'm really happy and very fun when I go with lylydgn. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. It's been a lot of fun.
Yeah.
That was an amazing lunch. Yeah, highly recommend this place.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Lee.
If you want any further information about any of the properties that we've viewed in the video today, Lily's email will be below. Maybe if there's something else specific you're looking for, maybe Lily can help.
Yeah, okay,
Yep.
I will help.
Yep.